Hello, ladies and gents. Thank you for joining in. Today we will be explaining and trading a very powerful, very mechanical and rules based binary options and forex, stocks, crypto, commodities, anything that has a chart. This strategy is for you. If you've been losing money in the binary options market, in the forex market, gold, silver, commodities, anything, this live stream is for you. Now, explain how to explain the strategy and to show you how to identify your best, your highest probability setups. And then we will move back to the charts. I'll show you a trade I took today, a few minutes ago, on the Euro USD. It was amazing using this strategy. This strategy, just to tell you briefly, it has no shortage of opportunities. Okay, it's going to give you opportunities all over the market. Every 5 to 8 minutes, you have an opportunity going on somewhere using this strategy. Now, before we jump to the whiteboard, if you are watching us on YouTube live replay, please do not hesitate to subscribe and smash that like button. Also, this is the last live before Christmas. Tomorrow and after tomorrow, there won't be any live streams. I might do an Arabic live stream. That being said, because this is Christmas, and my gift to you, if you want to join our binary options trading team, if you contact me on Telegram through my contact information in the description box, you sign up through our binary options links on Pocket Option, you will get, listen to this, 100% deposit bonus. It will jumpstart your trading career big time. So if you deposit $100, you'll get 200, 1,000, 2,000. All right. So this is my Christmas gift to you all, 100% deposit bonus. All right. So let's jump right into the whiteboard. All right. So the strategy, I call it the Magic Four strategy. It's based, once you understand what I call the market state, in which market state you are, this is almost half your job done. Okay. So what are the market states? Let me show you this. The market, any market, moves in a cycle. So, let me change the color. So the market, it has only two things to do. Today we'll discuss three. Out of these three, we'll be using only one state. Okay. The other states are for another discussion. So the market goes from a narrow state, sideways market, small candles forming up and down, up to a wide state. So this is your first state, which is a narrow state. This is your trending state, and this is your wide state. Come on, my handwriting is a disaster. This is your wide state, and usually the market will go back to a narrow state. And from this point, it has only two things to do: go back up to a wide state, or from here go down to a wide state to the downside. Trending state, trending state, trending state here as well. Narrow state. This is your narrow state. All right. So our trading strategy involves using this beautiful narrow state over here and take either a buy position or a sell position out of these narrow state. Now you need two tools, two very important tools to identify in which state is your market moving. Those tools are the let me remove this black thing here. Okay, so your indicators, two indicators, very simple. You need the 200. Oops, hold on. Okay, so let me go here. Right, okay. You need your 200 period moving average and your 2020 period moving average. Okay, so let me write this here. So this is your 20 SMA, simple moving average. And this one over here is your 200 simple moving average. All right. Your 200 simple moving average will show you the general overview of your trend. So if the 20 SMA is below the 200 SMA, that means you should look for a sell position. If your 20 SMA is moving above the 200, you should be looking ideally for a buy position. Now, usually when your when your 220 are so close together like this is your narrow state over here. Almost all the time also your price the candles or the bars will be also tight together in these zones. So you'll see your price moving like this small candle area in this tight location. So these two tools will help you identify your narrow states. Now, don't worry, I'll show you all those things on the charts. Forex and binary options, so don't worry. From this point onwards, what do you need to see to take a buy a sell trade in this case as the 20, ideally a sell trade as your 20 is moving below your 200. The first event you should see is a powerful green bullish sizable bar clearing everything you see to your left side. Last 10 to 15 candles. So these are your candles moving over here in a narrow state, and then you see a surging power bar. Oop, this should be red. Hold on. Taking a sell here. So you will see a powerful, strong red candle clearing everything else you see 10 to 12, 10 to 15 candles to your left side. Okay, this is your first event. Second event, you see this one is surging, it's generating off of the 20 SMA. Your second is moving from the 200, boom, surging to the downside. Also, it has to clear everything that is happening over here 10 to 10 to 15 candles. And your third situation is a powerful red bar going in the vicinity of the 220 SMA. Also, it should be clearing 10 to 12 bar to the left side. So where's your entry point? Over here, over here, over here. For binary options, you take 4 to 6 minutes position. For forex trading and so on, your stop loss should be over here. That's or here, no problem. That's your entry point. In this case, your entry point, your stop loss over here, your entry point, stop loss over here, no problem. Now, let me give you a very interesting statistic about these candles. These candles over here have, when you see this situation happening, these candles have a 70% follow through rate. What do I mean by follow through rate? That means whenever you see such candles, such bars surging off of your narrow state, you have a 70% follow through rate. Follow through means you will usually see more red following. This is follow through. Now, to give you another statistic, when these candles move off of your narrow state from the 20, from the 200, or in the close vicinity of the 20 SMA, the power of these, the follow through percentage of these bars increases to around 85%, right? So 8 out of 10 times you will see follow through to the downside. Okay, so this is your sell situation. Okay, now let's discuss a, a buy situation. All right, let's do this. So for a buy situation, you need your 200 SMA flattish. If it's flat, it's nice. Prefer not to trade if I see the SMA moving heavily to the upside or to the downside. And ideally, ideal situation is to see your 20 SMA very close to your 200. So that's your 20, your 200, sorry, and this is your 20 SMA. Okay, you so for a buy situation, let me write here buy buy situation. You should see a powerful bullish engulfing bar surging from three positions, three options. You have three options. First, you will see the price moving here in a very narrow state, small candles. All right, you should see a powerful green bar surging off of your 200 as if the 200 line is its source, you know. So once you see this, and it should be clearing 10 to 15 candles to your left side. Clearing means annihilating, going above. This is your entry point. Okay, this is your first situation. Second situation, if you see a green powerful bar surging off of the 20 SMA, I should work on my drawing skills. This is your entry here. Third situation is a powerful bar surging off somewhere close to the 20, in the vicinity of the 20. So you enter here. Here, that's your entry for this situation, and that's your entry for this situation. So these are the three events you should be looking for from a narrow state. If you have a narrow state, 20 above the 200, you wait for a power surging bar to the upside. You take your buy position for binary options, 4 to 6 minutes. If the 20 SMA is below your 200 SMA, you wait for a powerful surging elephant bar. We can call it elephant bar because it's it's clearly gonna be bigger than anything else you see to your left side. This is where you take your sell position 4 to 6 minutes for binary options, right? So these are the ways for you to identify your narrow states. Let's move to the charts. If you have any questions so far, please do not hesitate to use the live chat. So let's move to the charts. Let me show you situation. This is what you should be looking for when trading out of a narrow state. Look at this. I use the 3 minutes or the 2 minutes, no problem. These any time frame, any chart. So let me show you. See, I had a narrow state over here. Hold on. See, this is your narrow state. Okay. See, the price is moving sideways. Very small bars, very small candles, and then this beauty over here. I was watching. I was over here. Christmas mood was over here. I just woke up, messy hair. I was watching this. Okay, your trading should be mechanical, guys. If you are thinking about your trading, that means something is wrong. It should be unconscious. You should unconsciously know when to enter, where to put your stop loss, where to exit. If you are thinking and over analyzing, something is wrong with your strategy. If you can't write your strategy on a one piece of paper, something is wrong. So I was watching. We have a narrow state. My 20 moving average, look at this. My 20 moving average and 200 moving average are very tight, extremely tight together. This is your narrow state. So I was waiting for a strong, powerful bar. Let me zoom in a little bit. I was waiting for a strong power bar to surge off of this narrow state over here and clear everything 10 to 12 candles to your left side. And look at this beauty. I mean, come on. Boom, this was my entry point. I entered over here. Stop loss, usually if you see your 20, your 200 moving average close by, you can put your stop loss over here. And listen to this cash machine. You know the cash machine that counts your $100 bills? That's my cash machine this morning. Let me show you how much I made on this one. So let me bring this over here. Short position. This was my entry point. This was my stop loss. I went out somewhere around here. Hold on. Let me show you why. Usually when you're trading on Forex for this strategy, as a rule of thumb, always shoot for a 1 to 2 or 2.5 risk reward ratio. Now, when you get a little bit more advanced, you can look for a zone close by. If you are going for a short position, look for um, supply area close by, demand area close by, and set your take profit over there. So look at this. This is a supply area. You see, the price paused over here and shooted up. So this is a very beautiful take profit zone. So my exit this morning was over here. I set my take profit at this level. Okay, let me zoom in. So let me show you how much this was. This was a 1 to 3.8 risk reward ratio. Okay, on a 25,000 K account, if you have a $25,000 funded account, or if you have your own money invested in the forex market, you invest you risk 1%. This is your risk. You risk 1% of your balance. In this case, I made 3.8% of my balance. So 1% is $250, right? So how much I made in my trade this morning? 250 times 3.8 risk reward. I made $950, guys. And look at the beauty of it. It's quick. You know, when you have a powerful surging bar like this, when you have a power bar such as this one over here, clearing out everything to the left side. See, look at this. This baby, boom, over here, it cleared out everything. It's bigger than everything you see here, close to this one. However, it cleared out and it's surging from a narrow state. Oh, excuse me, I made a mistake. Hold on. This is where I took my. I knew I made more. This is your entry point here. I knew something was off. I made more than that. Hold on, just a minute. Okay, so it was. Okay, so this is your entry point here. Okay, see that? See your entry point. Let me adjust to show you exactly how I took this trade. I entered over here. This was my stop loss, and here it goes. 3.8. I made $925. Now, how much time did it take? I entered my trade here at 9:24 a.m. my time. Take profit was hit at 9:51. 25 minutes, guys. 25 minutes. Whenever you have a surging bar like this, out of a narrow state, you should see a violent cash machine to your downside. All right. So this was my morning trade. I like the euro dollar. I don't trade the euro USD. It's the most manipulated pair on planet Earth. However, when I see such an ideal situation, I take it. I'm risking one, I'm making four. So even if I lost twice, I'm still two times in profit. Let me show you something I took here. Look at this beauty. I could have easily entered on this one. However, I was a bit skeptical. I could have entered on this candle over here. It cleared out all those candles here. However, I was skeptical from this zone. So I played it safe. I waited for a surge. See, this is your relatively narrow state. I waited for this surge. Boom, over here. This is a 1 to 3 risk reward. So I made around $750 on this one. This was yesterday. Friday, yes. Last Friday. Okay. So let's move to binary options and take some live trades together. All right. Let me add a few pairs. Oops, I'm still on. Let me take the tournament thing. Okay, so let's begin our live trading. I'll explain along the way why am I taking those trades, how am I looking to the chart. So let me set up the chart. Let's set up the indicators as well. 200 SMA, pink, 20 SMA, 20. A simple moving average. 2 pixels. I'll choose the turquoise color. Let's add some pairs. Guys, as an advice, this week avoid trading this week and next week as well, due to Christmas and New Year. The markets are usually very slow, very choppy sometimes. Why? Because institutions and banks are on holiday, so you wouldn't see that much of a reliable movement during this week and next week. So even for OTC, even if you see the OTC market open, avoid trading this week or take very few trades. Be very selective. We took two to three trades this morning in our VIP signals room for binary options. We two winning trades, one losing trade, and I stopped because I saw very choppy market, very jumpy candles, almost all over the place. Okay, so now that we have lots of pairs to trade from, let's identify, let's see where do we have a narrow state and the surge. Look at this. Let me, okay, full screen. Look at this beauty, guys. Guys, the market is very, it moves in a cycle. So you had your narrow state here, right? This is your narrow state, 20 moving average, relatively very close to the 200. You had uh, a clear swing high, resistance level, and then you see this beauty, boom, over here. Look at this cash machine. And the market moves from narrow to wide, from wide to narrow. So this is your narrow state, wide state. Whenever you see the 20 away from the 200, that's your wide state. And it's gonna come back to a narrow state. All right, let's look for something else. See the choppiness over here. I wouldn't touch this pair. See how many wicks? Lots of wicks. Crazy movements. Don't touch. When you see something like that, stay away. Look at this beauty over here. Come on, guys. Look at this. Narrow state. And this powerful surging bar. Boom! Over here. 46 minutes. You have a win. Forex trader, listen to this. Cash machine. $100 bills in your pocket every single day. It should be mechanical. Boom! You see this? You enter. You don't think. You don't doubt yourself. You don't call your grandmother, your stepmother, anything. Whatever is the thing you are trading. Okay? Let's say you are trading your mother-in-law. If you are trading your mother-in-law, when you see this happening, boom, you enter. You don't think. Cash machine to the downside. Let's look for something else. I need to take a trade right now. Let me adjust this to 6 minutes. All right. Look at this beautiful. Come on, guys. Now, ideally, if you want to take a sell, ideally, I prefer to see the 20 moving average moving over here below the 200. However, you can take these. This is also a high probability. Now, always as a beginner, try to look for the highest probability possible. So in this case, I would have preferred to take a buy, but the market gave you this beautiful bar, guys. Here you have your narrow state and this powerful, surging, engulfing uh, red candle. Boom, over here. 4 to 6 minutes binary options. You have your win. Forex trader, listen to this cash machine. Let's look more. I need to take a few trades with you guys. Look, come on. Look at this. Narrow state. This is your narrow state. And you see this happening. Boom, over here. 4 to 6 minutes binary options. You have your win. Forex trader. See, narrow state. And now the 20 is moving up to a wide state. Now for Forex, if you don't see any close by supply area, whenever you see the price is away from the 20, very far away, this is your take profit zone. Get out over here. For more advanced players, when you see, now this is gonna keep on going like this. When you see the price moving towards the 20, rejecting, and you see another surging power bar, you enter over here. However, 1 to 1.5, maximum 1 to 2. Let's look for something for us to trade right now. This is very jumpy. I won't take it. See this over and over again. Come on. Look at this, guys, on the euro pound this morning. Same movement. I should have taken this one, by the way. It was better than euro USD. However, when I see a setup, I just take it. Boom, over here, cleared below your magic 4. I mean, guys, rocket science, my 9-year-old John, my 9-year-old son, is able to identify those. I'm telling you. Beauty, that's a setup. We have something here on the AUD USD large market. Okay, let's set let's set our zones. Okay, you have a relatively narrow state here and here. We set an alarm over here. Okay, so I need a powerful surging bar. Boom, from here. You enter over here 4 to 6 minutes. Or your this has the highest probability for you. Okay, you can also take a decent trade if you see something like this to the downside. This should be a decent trade. However, I prefer whenever the 20 moving average is moving above your 200, I prefer to take buys. So let's see. We have our alarm over here. So when the price pushes up, we'll be notified. If you are watching us and you have any questions, please do not hesitate to use the live chat. Also, give us a like. Please help us reach more people. Cat CHF. Look at this. I mean, fantastic. Boom! Over here. You enter here. 4 to 6 minutes binary options. You have your win. See? Narrow state, wide state, back to narrow state. The market moves in a cycle. That's it. We took this one in our Telegram group this morning. This one. Where is it? I took the EuroCAD one. I think this one here. Boom! Over here. 4 to 6 minutes. No, it wasn't this one. Hold on. Let me see. I took a EuroCAD this morning with my VIP team. Ah, this one over here, I think. This one. See? Boom! Surging bar out of the narrow state. 4 to 6 minutes. Here's your win. Let me look for something happening right now. I need to take 1 or 2 trades with you guys and leave. Look at this. Come on, guys. Narrow state. Surging bar. Boom! Over here. It's becoming boring, you know? Look at this. What a beautiful trade. Boom! Over here. 4 to 6 minutes. I need something to trade. I need a narrow state. We have something on the AUD USD forming. Let's watch it. Let's watch the AUD USD together. Oh, it's giving us. I should have entered here. Let me see this one. Let's see. It might reject and go back up. So we wait. I would take it for one reason. Look, the market repeats itself in cycles. So I need to see strong red over here as well. Okay. So you had your surge out of the narrow state. If you are late, wait for a confirmation and a break below this. If I see a break below this, these two powerful bars, I'll go for a down trade, sell trade. Let's see. That's it. Nope, it's rejecting. I won't take it till now. Let's wait. Okay, it's coming back to the zone above the 200. See, as I told you, you enter here. This is your entry point for Forex. If you have, whenever you see the price very far away from the 20 moving average, that's your take profit. Let's see what's gonna happen here. That's a beautiful candlestick pattern forming. I need a strong close. Come on. I'll take this one for a sell. 6 minutes. Come on. Nice 2 seconds push. Okay, so that's it. Let's see if we have something else forming somewhere. See, this was beautiful. Look at this. Narrow state. Narrow state. Power surge bar. Boom. Over here. 4 6 minutes. You have a win for binary options. Forex traders. Cash machine. Come on, eat something. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I need a strong close. That's it. I'll take it. See the AUD is beautiful trade. That's my baby. 4 minutes left. Let's see if we have something else. So we have two trades running. Look at this. Look at this. Narrow state. You have a narrow state here. Very narrow state. That's the most powerful situation. Boom, over here. 4 to 6 minutes. You have a win. And then you got yourself another situation, another possible entry. This one. Close, very close. This is called narrow. Why? Because the 20 moving average is still very close to the 200. Surging bar. Boom. Over here. This is your entry point. 4 to 6 minutes, you have a winning trade. Forex trader, listen to this. Cash machine. Beautiful setup. Come on. I need a clear. I need a clear above these two. That's it. It's clearing. Come on. Keep on. Nice. Nice. That's a 6 minutes. See, it should be mechanical. You should be mechanically taking the trades. You have your narrow state. The 20 is above the 200. You see a surging bar. Boom, you enter the last 30 to 15 seconds. Look at this beauty over here. Come on, beautiful. We still have a minute 20 seconds left on this one. Let's see. This week is gonna be tough for traders. This week and next week. Avoid trading during Christmas and New Year holidays. You don't have enough, volume. The institutions are not there. See, a slight push downwards will give us a win on the AUD USD. This is gonna be a loss, no problem. We have two beautiful setups over here running. All right, no problem. Let's see here. Beautiful. Come on, look at this beauty. Fantastic trade. We can't lose this one. Let's see this one. Beautiful. A bit shaky. We need a strong close here. Decent. That's a decent, very powerful trade. 1 minute left. It's impossible to lose this one. I mean, after these two very powerful elephant bars. Nice. 20 seconds left. And that's our first win of the day over here. Beautiful. Look at this. Come on. If you are trading Forex, this was my entry point. Stop loss. And look at this. Beautifully dropping. This is a very powerful bearish signal as well. Let's see this one. Fantastic. We still have 1 minute and a half. Beautiful. Nice. See, guys, the market is not as complex as you might think it is. When you simplify things, when you simplify your entry points, exit points, you become, you start seeing those things and taking action automatically. If I ask you, what is your name? You won't think, you won't call your wife, what is my name? You remember what is my name? You will say your name automatically. So when you see your entry, boom, you enter. Come on. We need the buyers to step in. That's it. Come on. Come on. Strong buyers. Beautiful. Keep going. That's it. That's our second win of the day. So we have 2 out of 3 winning trades. During our live streaming yesterday, we had 4 out of 5. Right? So that's it for today. We made, by the way, that's a 7%. We started with 100. We made 7.4. So that's 7.4% ROI in your pockets. If you don't see that 7% is enough, you have a problem with the way you think. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you not tomorrow, not after tomorrow, on the 26th. 26th, okay? So have a blessed Christmas. Enjoy your